Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty and we should talk about fashion here. Alright, so let me get into today's video. So I got a piece that I've always wanted for a very long time and I'm like so excited for this. Alright, can you just guess, you know what brand it is? Can you pause the video and guess what you think it is? Okay. Alright, so essentially, I've always wanted something from the LV Migo collection, and I missed out on it, honestly, because they were selling out so quickly. I loved it because I really do love denim pieces, and I always wanted something denim. I don't know, from one of these, like, you know, luxury fashion houses. So yeah, I finally found one that works for me and kind of ticks all of my boxes. So let me show you what I got. Alright, so it came in this brown bag. So let me just disclaimer right here. This is a circular fashion piece. So it is a pre-loved piece. And as you can tell from this brown bag, it is old. Well, maybe like almost 15-20 years old, I think. So yeah, and actually I think that this piece is actually in very good condition. So it also came in this dust bag as well. Where's the front? It came in this dust bag. I don't know if this is the original dust bag or not, but whatever. All right, so the pièce de résistance is this. Yay! So I've always wanted this kind of denim bag. I just love them so much. I love the color. I love denim bags. I don't know, I've been trying to find one like this. I've seen a lot of them, but some of them looks really dirty, especially on the vachetta leather. So yeah, but this one I thought was in pretty good condition. It has some marks and kind of like darkened bits, but that's fine. I mean, it's okay. So I got this from Vestiaire, and I got this at a very reasonable price, which I really liked. I mean, just look at the features of this bag. It's so beautiful. It's a Speedy, it's a denim Speedy, I think Neo. I'm not sure what it's called. I'll try to plop it up somewhere, but it's a Speedy, a denim Speedy, and I just love all the little nicks and crannies in here, all the little features. It has a little pocket in here, and obviously, as you can tell, if I can open it, it has little pockets here as well. So it's just a really gorgeous piece, and I'm just loving it. Yeah, so not much to say. It's just a really good piece. It is slouchy, but there's a little bit of filling in here. I forgot to mention the interior, which is gorgeous. It's like a suede or microfiber mustard yellow. It's so beautiful, and it is a made in France piece as well. And I wanted to get an insert for this, but I don't know if I want to, because I don't want it to look too perfect. I want it to look slightly slouchy, like the way it is right now. It's not too slouchy, but it's like kind of slouchy. So yeah, I kind of like it like this, honestly, because I want it to be a little bit more of a sort of relaxed, cool girl look. And I've wanted this for a while, honestly, like just love it. And I think that it kind of meets me at the Nigo collection because the Nigo had a lot of like denim pieces that were also kind of, you know, done in a different way, especially with the demi-bin. It was kind of set up differently. At least I think it was expanded, that they expanded the print and all that, but I just really love this. I love the color. One might argue it's a summer bag, but I think it's an all-season bag because you can wear this kind of, you know, in the winter time. You can wear it in the summer, spring. I think it's all season. you know, I like to get classic pieces and something that's actually multi-seasonal. So yeah, I really like these a lot. So this was such a great purchase, and I'm so happy I found this. I think the person I purchased it from was in Italy. So yeah, it took like a week between for the seller to ship it to Vestia, and then they authenticate or review it and then them shipping it to me. So it took about a week, maybe less. Yeah, I think it was like a week. So not bad at all. So yeah, I don't know what to say about these. I just really love it. And I will put some pictures up of me wearing this on. I love this. I mean, what can you say? Like, it's just beautiful. Let me know if you have this. I know that people have gotten these for like 300, 500. You know what I mean? You can get these at really good prices. Some people have washed them in the washing machine. Like, I would be too scared to do that. Yeah. But I think I saw somebody like wash them in a washing machine. It looks fine, but I would not recommend doing that. I would just be too scared. But yeah. Yeah, it's pretty, like, the condition is really nice. Like, I think the person barely wore them, probably like a few times, but yeah. So there you go. This is just gonna be a quick video just showing you that piece. Not much to say after that. Like I said, I'll show you some pictures of me styling this, and yeah, I mean, not much to say. Let me know what you think about it. And I know that there's another Migo collection coming out again with Virgil Abloh times Migo times LV, whatever, times everybody, I don't know. And that collection I think is going to be really special as well, but I think that I know the prices are going to be just crazy. So why not think ahead of the game and just get this? Because this is basically the Migo collection in my head. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention what I have on. I mean, come on. So I have on these CC earrings that I showed you before, and can you see them? Yeah, okay. These CC earrings that I love so much, and they fit this dress so well. This is a dress. It is the ahhhing dress. It's an Australian brand. These are they just go out of stock so fast, but I found them finally. But this is the ahhhing dress, the Australian brand that everyone loves. And yeah, and I really love this dress so much. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I mean, not much, just a dress, earrings. If I have a picture of me with this on, I will show you, or I will do a cutaway of the look, or how it looks on the model or something like that. So yeah, I really love this, and I think the earrings really look cute with this dress as well too. Yep, so that's what I'm wearing today. I love this dress. It's so like girly, yeah, cool. I don't know, it's like different. It's like you're a girly girl, but you're cool. Alright, so yeah, I really love this. Can I just say I look like I'm in a cloud, or like I'm in my sheets or something like that? Do you guys get that vibe? I don't know. So that's all I have for you today. Have a great day, morning, afternoon, wherever you are, and I will talk to you later. Bye.